This short video is going to show some techniques for alleviating pain and promoting more range of motion around the hip joints due to injuries to the QLs or quadratus lumborum. It also offers you some insight into picking out a massage facility and or a massage therapist at your home, your friends, your networks, what have you. I'm a certified massage therapist. My certificate number is 18843. I've been with the CAMTC Council certified since 2011. I've been doing massage for more than 13 years. I continue to get continuing education units for my liability insurance. I also have a Bachelor's of Science degree in Economics and Math from UCSD, and I am almost done with my Master of Science degree in Data Science Bioinformatics from Lewis University remotely. I worked at various corporate massage centers, wellness centers, and chiropractic centers. I am specialized in Swedish hot stone, deep tissue prenatal sports chair, ISTM, instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization, myofascial, craniosacral, and I'm always learning new techniques and skills. So you found that you might have some pain, you can't relax, maybe you're stressed, maybe you went too hard at the gym or did some other activity like tennis or golf, and you have limited range of motion and tightness in your joints. Have you ever had a massage? How long have you been continuously having massages, and how often? Is it always the same treatment? What don't you like about your previous massage sessions if you've had a massage? What did you love about your previous massage sessions when you did have a massage continuously? Do you typically see the same massage therapist, or do you choose whoever says they are qualified to treat your area of pain based on his or her experience or rating on social media? These are important questions to consider whenever you need a massage, because you don't just want to go to anybody for a massage. You want to go to someone who can make you feel better, free of stress, free of pain, enjoy your massage, and have a great day. Some more considerations when picking out your massage facility or massage therapist. If this is your first massage, then you will need to know some things about what you prefer, what you're looking for, and communicate that with your massage therapist. For instance, the style. Do you like pressure points? Do you like gliding strokes along your muscle tissue? Do you like, compressions? Do you like being stretched? Do you like pulling your muscles apart where you're fighting pain? Or do you want to relax and have like a scalp massage and go to sleep? The style, pressure, application, and approach to treating stress in the body is unique to every person, mostly similar, and mostly used the same way by massage therapists, but there are some differences. Every massage therapist does follow the proper draping protocol. We're supposed to cover every part of your body unless we're working on it, except for your face, of course. Rules and regulations are all maintained and followed. Behaviors that prevent mental issues later. Yes, they don't discuss negative issues that could promote some type of out of character type of scenario, such as stuff we won't talk about. No, it usually happens with people that get paid not well, aren't booked, become negative, and they try to keep it to themselves, so then it just blows up, and yeah, it's not good. It's part of mental issues. PG-13 conversation topics, yes. You would talk to any of your clients as if you were watching something with your 13-year-old nieces and nephews or children, even grandchildren. If it does happen to go a little bit odd, then we usually go change the subject or just stop talking. Not every massage therapist will be quiet and knows your body by touch. This is true to most of you who have had a massage before. If it is your first massage, though, you do want to communicate with them on the pressure and what hurts, what doesn't, what you like, what you don't, and then from there, the massage therapist will either talk a lot or not. As long as they're talking to you about the techniques they're doing and asking about you, then if that's okay with you, that's fine. But if they're just talking about their problems and stuff, that's negativity. You don't want that. We do have to ask questions to gauge your tolerance and needs. Experience in massage therapists can lead to either poor performance and burnout or better approaches. So whenever you go to a massage place and then you want someone who's really good, every person's unique. So you will find a massage therapist that's really good to everybody else, and you'll just be open and agree to it, and then you'll realize later on whenever you have someone else that, you know what, this person's much better, and that person might have so much experience. Well, because they might get burnout. Certain massage therapists, they have a lot of experience, and they know techniques, and they update, and it's really great, and that's the only thing they do, and they're happy, they love their clients, they have a long list of clients, the clients wait for them. And, you know, sometimes people have bad days, and so that negativity goes forward, and it leads to burnout, and it's just a domino effect. What you want is just to be able to communicate your massage needs at all times, and know that every massage therapist is capable of adapting to fit your needs. Unless they're just not educated in that field, then you will want to get someone who knows that modality. If you do find that massage therapy, that massage therapist that you enjoy, that treats your pain and stress, and you can relax or sleep or feel great afterwards, then you want to stick with them. But sometimes they can't be around for you because they get pregnant or life happens, they have to move, take care of family members, whatever. Then you should always know what modalities are used, how long they're used for, what time of your session, what kind of music. If you like them because they're just a cool person and you like to talk to them and you just know them, just like a hairstylist, and you can't really replace that. But you can replace the treatment that you get if you know the pressure used, the music, table warmer, not the level, the the professionalism of the massage therapist, if they really focus on your needs, treat your pain, and they're not like talkative about their life, like that, like over engages you. Yes, and every massage therapist is taught to adjust to your needs because every client's unique. So one client might like a certain style that a person is not used to using, like shiatsu, pressure, and sports, versus like relaxation Swedish. So you want to make sure you don't go to someone that is the opposite of what you prefer, because you'll be more likely to not be happy than happy. When planning your massage session, it's important to go into a place where you're not going to be stressed out even more than before you left to get there. The facility needs for your massage: professional front desk help to answer any questions and phone calls, also to make the restrooms available for you and a waiting area available for you if you are early and you need to relieve yourself before the massage session. This is great for that because you also don't have to wait outside in like hot heat and then sweat before you go into a massage. You don't have to smell pollution from cars that are nearby. And yeah, you don't have to wait to use the restroom as well. There are some places that actually don't have a front desk because they're small little companies that are just starting out. Also, keep in mind parking. Make sure there's plenty of it. Otherwise, enough for you, because some shopping centers, they're very busy, but they've already went past their what is that word? Yes, law of diminishing returns. That's what it is from economics. They have already passed that, and they are losing spots, losing clients, because there's not enough parking for all of the businesses, customers, and one business or two in that whole shopping center takes up all the parking spots. So you don't have it. Like, for instance, I worked at a place that had a bank, it had a dentist office, it had the massage place, it had a nail place, and it had a dry cleaner. It also had a sandwich shop. Very difficult to find parking between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. But if you're going to go there, go ahead and make sure it's hours that they're not going to be that busy. Like before 11 a.m. and after 4 p.m., even after 6 p.m. Also, if there's limited parking and they threaten to tow it after so long, you probably don't want to go there either because that's anxiety. You don't need that. But you can always feel more comfortable having your car there if you ask the desk how often that comes, and if they say never or only once because of the different store, then yeah, then it's most likely they're not going to tow it. They just say that so that you don't park there and everybody knows. Another thing with the massage facility you pick out, if you're at a massage place and you just parked your car as close as you can to that massage place, if that massage place doesn't have massage rooms that block out external sounds like car alarms or car horns, then your massage is going to be unpredictable in terms of alarms going off while you're trying to relax or when you're about to go to sleep on a warm, comfortable massage table, getting massage, and then all of a sudden, like like an alarm goes off. You really don't want to deal with that. So if you can park your car or see any other cars parked within 50 meters of the store from where you imagine inside the store through glass windows and thin walls your massage table is going to be, you probably don't want to go to that place unless you have an alternate, like if it's just a sports massage and you don't really care, then yeah, that's fine. But if you're going there to relax, then no, find a different place. Trust me. Because some people do offer to put their earphones in your ear or on you, but those are shared with other people, and you should probably just bring your own. And then also, if you do bring your own earphones, please listen to relaxing music, not sports commentary or propaganda media or whatever you might be listening to, like some action film or something, because this is your massage session and you want to have a great relaxing experience, not be stressed out. When planning your massage session and you do find a place that has plenty of parking and has a really good way of keeping out external sounds from the building and also within, like the rooms are designed to be as quiet as possible, consider if there's any filtered water available for you after the massage, because you do need that to stay hydrated and promote healing and make your massage benefits last longer. Also, after the massage, consider that if you are annoyed by front desk people asking you to sign a commitment for membership with discounted perks and pricing afterwards, do you want to go to that place? Because yeah, you might say don't talk to me about it, but they might be under a lot of pressure to make you sign it, and so they'll just totally bypass whatever you ask for. If this is the case, then you don't want to go to that place. Also, if you do like getting discounted perks and pricing afterwards and you can see yourself getting a massage more frequently, then maybe you do want to listen to their 1-minute discussion about a membership, because you do save money that way. The only thing is, though, that you don't get your money back. You can get, we don't really promote this, but if you're unhappy with a massage therapist, truly unhappy, and you state that during the massage and you end it and you let them know why and it wasn't up to your standards, they can give you another massage therapist without an additional charge. And then they want to make sure that you're happy, because that's their number one goal, is to promote their business and you being happy and then promoting happiness to everybody. Otherwise, if you don't want to be locked into a year contract or 6 month or 3 month or whatever, then you probably want to go to a chiropractic, wellness place, or somewhere where they offer packages where you can get a discount. They do have a lot of places that offer promos, so I mean, you can just do an easy Google search, and then you can look on Yelp or social media places, 4 to 5 star reviews. A lot of those are manipulated, though, and some of them aren't, but you will know by looking at it. If there's a lot of 4 and 5s, then they really care about customer service, and you want to go to a customer service oriented massage place for your first massage, because they really want to make sure you're happy and will inform you about everything that I haven't told you about if I happen to miss it. If you happen to get a corporate massage therapist provider or a friend of a friend or a contact through networking, and you decide to let them into your house or vacation spot, wherever, to give you and your others a massage, or just you, when picking a massage therapist, yes, you do want to have a high rated massage therapist, just like with any Lyft or Uber driver. They're all rated, just like any business as well. You want to talk to them and see if they can gauge your needs and how they will approach massaging you, making you feel comfortable or relaxed, or approaching any pain areas. Uh, you do have to keep in mind, though, you will be prepaying for services, just like in most massage facilities as well, especially the smaller ones. And you have to keep your appointment. If you don't keep your appointment, you will be charged the full amount for it. There's usually a time before the massage that they will allow you to cancel it within 4 to 24 hours. If it's not within that time frame, that's too bad for you. I'm so sorry, but yeah, it's the opportunity cost, because if they keep booking appointments at a lot of massage places, it's just people don't want to wait if they're booking it right away. And so they'll make an appointment, they'll get busy, they'll get stuck in traffic, they won't plan it accordingly, and then the massage therapist who gets paid by each hour and each booked hour, so as well as the massage facility, they could end up having like 75% of their appointments not honored and lose out money where they could have booked those appointments and made money. I know a lot of people don't understand that concept at first, but it's a logical one, and actually it's followed by many people. Try to keep distractions like pets, children, household members from interrupting your massage session. Most people can work around pets and children. You should let them know right away if you do have pets and you don't want to keep them tied up, because some massage therapists and people don't like pets. They're scared of them. And also children, if they're running around unsupervised, they can cause a mess and interfere with your massage session, or they could be loud and impatient. I mean, some children are nice. They just sit there with their iPad or Kindle and do their work, but yeah, try to schedule a time where it's only your time and then honor it. Make an area for your massage if you have a massage therapist going there, so that you can be close to an outlet for plugging in a massage table warmer, which will help with heating you and keeping you warm and your muscles warm, and also about 8 to 10 feet of space so that you have room for the massage table, and then also the massage therapist can do their job around you in a comfortable space without being cramped and limited in applying pressure and stretches and whatnot. After your massage, make sure you drink plenty of water. Clean water, of course, filtered. Stay hydrated and relaxed. Some people, they drink pH balanced water. That's good too. Ask yourself if you can do this regularly after the massage. Did you like the massage? Did you enjoy it? Did you not really find it met your expectations? Well, if you don't want to do this regularly, is it because of the cost or the massage? Did you benefit from the massage? Did you like your massage therapist or not like your massage therapist? Would you work with that massage therapist again if you maybe had a different modality, like hot stones, cold stones, pain relieving gel, aromatherapy? Would you work with the same place but a different massage therapist with a different approach to treating you? Could you be open to having a massage regularly? And if it's the cost, would a discounted membership be right for you? Or is it just too expensive because this was a treat and somebody gave you a gift card to it? These are things to consider, but massage is very beneficial to your health. So if your financial health interferes with your physical health, then it's probably going to have to find a middle ground somewhere. So if cost is the issue, then consider getting a massage maybe once a month instead of once every week. Let me tell you about treating low back pain caused by the stress to the quadratus lumborum muscle groups. The model being used in these video clips is my husband, Shane Corona, of 7 years. He previously was a fitness instructor and strength conditioning coach. He played semi-pro athlete football. He's been injured in his Achilles and his patella tendon, also his rotator cuff. But he's bounced back and healed great. Partially due to massage, partially because he's an athlete and they know how to stretch and condition their bodies for healing. He also had other businesses and security and worked for his mom. He works out 6 days a week, which is a lot for a 45-year-old, and a couple hours a day. He gets anxiety if he doesn't. This also shows in his massage session. He gets a little bit of anxiety if he doesn't have the pain treated immediately. There are a lot of clients like this. It's hard to make all of them relax. The camera being used is actually my security camera at the house, so the angles might not be right, but I tried to get video clips that were. If you see any of the dogs in the clips, those are therapy dogs. Those are also our dogs, and they promote love and healing because they're just naturally great at loving you. The techniques used in this massage are for sports-related injuries, side-lying approaches to manipulating the QLs, myofascial manipulation, Swedish for relaxation, relaxing the muscles, some shiatsu pressure points, stretches to the QLs, and so on. You also have to check for tolerance of pain as needed to ensure the client is benefiting from this massage session. This is a screenshot of the QL muscles, or quadratus lumborum. They work together on the lower lumbar vertebrae, and you can see in the circled areas it's a tight muscle group, and they function by attaching to the ilium. It can get very tight whenever you're in the side position because there's not a lot more around those back tissues because the ribs aren't there. They do attach to the 12th rib. You can manipulate it easier, and when you relieve pressure, it leaves room for the nerves to function freely, and it also stops putting pressure from pulling upward on the SI spine. A lot of people get pain at the SI joint, which is the lowest lumbar, right attached to the sacrum, which is the middle part. You can see it in the far right picture with the green muscle groups in the middle. This is pretty much a screenshot of images of explosive kicking. You can see that if you look at their lower back and where they're firing their leg out from, it puts a lot of pressure on their QLs, and this is one of the reasons that a lot of QLs get really tight and tense, and it can cause low back pain. This is what the client in this video is suffering from. The client complains of left knee pain at lateral edge and low back pain near his sacroilium joint. His QLs could be the #1 reason for this pain due to his explosive workouts, kicking the bags at the gym, and he is also 45 years old. He has had previous injuries to his Achilles tendon and his patella tendon. This is a hip and knee stretch with rotation and compressions to gauge the range of motion for this client. I'm putting my palm on his hip and stretching from the inside his hip joint will help stretch the muscles by pulling his ankle towards me while I press on his hip. This helps to alleviate any pressure he might be feeling and stretch out the IT band. It's good to move around the hip to make sure there's good circulation and that he gets a good range of motion, and to assess the range of motion that he may have some pain, then you want to lessen the pull. They usually like this because it helps with increasing range of motion, which promotes relieving pain. Also compressing the IT band, which happens to get tight on this client. That can also be pulling at the knee and causing him knee pain. This is the side that affects him. I'm actually using my palms, so my fingers aren't touching him on his gluteus. And then some rolling, slight rolling, LHS. In this video, the client is having his erector spinae, which run along the spine, stretched with Swedish thumb massage strokes and florage. This helps to alleviate pain on the QLs from his gluteus up to his mid-back. And then Swedish strokes, pushing the QLs and tissue, soft tissue from the spine, also alleviating pain and making room for his nerves to function freely, which could be causing him pain. This also helps flush out any toxins from the tissue from pain. The side he's having problem with is his left side. So I'm working on that area. He complains consistently about his SI joint, slightly below where my hands are, and he likes pressure on it, but that's actually a trigger point, and it's better to work the areas around that trigger point pain pattern than to press directly on it. This video I'm still working the left side of his body in the back posteriorly. I'm using my elbow to add a little bit more pressure and push the soft tissue muscle away from the spine. This helps alleviate pressure and promotes healing and pain relief, as well as helping to reduce any inflammation he might be having. He's indicating that he wants me to press on his sacrum right there because of the pain he's having. I was trying to tell him that he needs to work the areas first, but sometimes they have such anxiety, it's better to just press just so they stop complaining. So I'm adding some pressure points around the area, not directly onto the area he was having pain. Here's a video clip of me pressing on his iliac crest with him side lying. This is his right side. I'm going to do the same to his left side. His left side is a problem, but this helps to alleviate any pain. You can only see the stretch, but I'm pressing on his iliac crest right along the side where his QLs are. It's a little bit softer, so you can reach the QLs better side, and so you can alleviate any tension that's in there. It's also important to stay hydrated when you do these stretches and have any type of massage, whether you're giving them or receiving massages. They help flush out water toxins from your body and promote healing and lower your blood pressure, as well as relax you. In this video clip, you could see that I am actually dropping his leg down. This helps to actually stretch out the QLs from the side, and the QLs attach and also attach to the iliac crest and the lower lumbar spine vertebrae. So this stretch is great if you have them on the side, and then you take their leg and the leg on top, and then you push it down a little to their comfort level, and you'll see that they can feel a stretch, and this is great for promoting pain relief. Also, some light pressure points to soften the tissue and promote healing. In conclusion, the client, who's also my husband of 7 years, is feeling much better. The pain is lessened and his range of motion is much better. He still needs to get frequent massages, stretch, and go easy in the gym until he's fully recovered. Therapy dogs weren't really seen in these video clips, but we do have 3 small dogs, and they really aid for promoting love and healing, which is really necessary when you're healing because you don't want to be stressed out. If you have them nearby, then they're great. Just be cautious that they do leave messes sometimes, so you do have to clean that up. Occasionally they want to pee or chew your massage table.